Hello and welcome everyone, I'm TJ and today I'm gonna show how to make this beautiful stitch. You can use this stitch for blankets, cardigans, baby heads and everything you can imagine for. The pattern is textured one, and for this pattern I used Cartopo baby one, which is 100 grams, 250 meters, and it's anti-peeling yarn. I'm using 3mm crochet hook and two different colors. The pattern itself is a multiple of 7 stitches, and for the tutorial I will start by chaining 28 stitches plus 2 additional chains. If you want to make your if you're gonna use this stitch for a blanket and you want to make it bigger, then just start by chaining multiple of 7 stitches and at the end add 2 chains, additional chains. 1, 2. I have 28 chains, and now I will make the 2 additional ones and have 30 chains in total. Now for the pattern we have to make extended double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, grab your yarn and pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull through the first loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Grab your yarn, pull through next 2, and grab your yarn, pull through. This is the extended double crochet. Continue making extended double crochet in each chain across. With thinner yarn, this stitch pops out better, and if you decide to make it to make a blanket or something like this with DK weight yarn and a little bit smaller hook, the stitch will look nicer. Continue making extended double crochet in each stitch across, and let's meet for row 2. For row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. Chain 3 is counted as a stitch here and throughout the pattern. Now we have to make extended double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 6 stitches in total because chain 3 is counted as a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will start to form the bubble itself. For this we have to make 9 double crochets into the next stitch, but in the front loop only. We have to work in this loop only and make 9 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then take your hook off. We have a small shell, as you can see. Now we have to insert our hook into the first double crochet we did. Here you can see this is the last extended double crochet we did, and this is the first double crochet of our small shell. We have to insert our hook into this double crochet stitch. Insert your hook here, then fold the shell downside, take the loop we left on your hook and just pull through. And you can see that our first bubble is done. Now we start the pattern repetition for this row. We must make extended double crochet into the next 6 stitches, but here is the trick. The first stitch is a little bit behind the bubble here. Be careful not to skip this stitch. You can push the bubble a little bit like that and then make the extended double crochet into the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and again bubble in next stitch. 9 double crochets. 1, 2, take your hook off, insert into the first double crochet stitch, fold the shell downside, take the loop we left on your hook and just pull through. The second bubble is done. One more time extended double crochet in next 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 bubble in next stitch. You have to repeat this till the last 7 stitches of row 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now for the last 7 stitches we must make extended double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last stitch goes on top of the turning chain 3 here. As I said, it's counted as a stitch and you have to make the last stitch on top of this chain 3. This is row 2. For row 3, chain 3, turn your work, and now we will work extended double crochet in each stitch, but here is a little trick for you on this row. Extended double crochet in each stitch across, and each wrong side row to be more precise. Now, this is the back side of our bubble. You can see that we have one stitch here, but we have one stitch here as well. Be careful not to skip this stitch here. Extended double crochet in next stitch, and this is the stitch from the bubble. We have to make one extended double crochet on this stitch too. If you want to count your stitches, you must have 7 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th stitch. Because the pattern repeat is 7 stitches, always at the end of each row you must have enough stitches multiple to 7 stitches, which is the pattern repeat itself. Continue with extended double crochet in each stitch across for row 3 and every wrong side row of our pattern. And again, here is the stitch of our bubble. Continue crocheting row 3 and let's make for row 4. At the end of row 3, again make the last extended double crochet into the chain 3 on top. But do not finish this extended double crochet and switch to the next color you're gonna use for this stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and now we have to make extended double crochet in next 2 stitches. 1, 2, then 1 bubble in next stitch, 9 double crochet into the front loop of next stitch, 2, and again the pattern repeat for this row is extended double crochet in next 6 stitches, and 1 bubble in next stitch. You have to repeat this till the last 4 stitches. You have to repeat this till the last 3 stitches, sorry, not the last 4 stitches. And when you reach the last 3 stitches, make extended double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, and again on top of the turning chain make the last extended double crochet. This is a row 4, and now for row 5, which is wrong side row, chain 3 and work extended double crochet in each stitch across. Again, don't forget the bubble stitch here, this stitch, and continue with extended double crochet in each stitch across. Here is the final look of the swatch I did for this tutorial. You have to repeat rows 2 till 5 till the desired length of your project, and for the first 3 rows the color is color A, and after that you have to switch every second after 2 rows, which means every third row. Here is a bigger piece I did behind the scene, and you can see that at the beginning I did all my project with color A, and after that I switch after each second row to get this look of this pattern. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if it is, you can support us by subscribing to our channel and share this tutorial with your friends. See you in my next ones. Bye!